Rudy Giuliani is begging Donald Trump to pay his legal bills. Rudy is in trouble. We know that, and we know he's largely in trouble for all the illegal things he did for Donald Trump before, during, and after the 2020 election. And so now he's been raided by the FBI, he's facing potential criminal charges, a grand jury is coming, and he doesn't have the money to cover his legal expenses, because in addition to this, he's also being sued by companies because he spread lies about the election for more than $1 billion. And so on all fronts, civil and criminal, Rudy's trapped, and he doesn't have the money. And so people in Rudy's camp are going to people like Trump and people in Trump's camp and saying, look, you have to help out your friend Rudy. And we all know how this is going to go. Donald Trump is going to abandon Rudy Giuliani and let him twist in the wind, because Donald Trump doesn't care about anybody. Let's recall that Rudy Giuliani did more for Trump before, during, and after the election than pretty much anyone else. When Trump needed someone to go in front of the cameras and lie for him and cheat for him and steal for him and go to the Ukraine and blackmail for him, whenever he needed that, Rudy was there. And Rudy never even got paid. Now, Rudy was supposed to get paid $20K a day, but according to this report from the New York Times, he wasn't really paid. So in addition to doing all of this work for Trump, in addition to not getting pardoned by Trump for all the illegal things he did for Trump, he never even got paid. So Rudy Giuliani, because of the civil suits that come as a result of lying for Trump and the criminal suits that come as a result of facilitating blackmail for Trump, is just circled on all directions by massive bills and massive trouble. This is why you never show loyalty to Donald Trump. Never. First of all, I would never work for him as a lawyer unless he paid me 100% up front, because Donald Trump will find some way to just not pay his bills. He just won't pay you, even if you're supposedly his pal. But this really goes beyond a purely professional relationship. This isn't just some random lawyer who did some paperwork for Donald Trump and his businesses, was owed a few thousand, and didn't get it. Like, that's bad, don't get me wrong. But Rudy went into the trenches for Trump. Like, Rudy, I don't feel bad for Rudy, but this really does show that even somebody that would put their life on the line, at least in terms of their freedom, putting their freedom on the line to commit very serious crimes and misinformation and lies for you, and you don't even do anything for them. This really does go to show, guys, that Donald Trump is a massive scumbag, even in relation to other scumbags like Rudy Giuliani. Because Donald Trump, again, as this report notes, and as people around Rudy are noting, and as we've noted, Donald Trump raised hundreds of millions of dollars after the election on fraudulent claims that Rudy Giuliani helped to raise. And when Rudy needs a few million for his legal case, Donald Trump is nowhere to be found. If people want an exhibit of how Donald Trump screws everyone in his life except himself, show them this.